You could do here is just change the words, change the music, change the graphics, and you're done. And they have different sections for you. So you have the videos here. If you're using the paid version, that is, you can hunt from million, I guess, if I don't even remember the exact number of um, licensed media they have, but they have videos, they have images, and they have audio or music that you can use. So it's a great tool for comprehensive editing. Then you have some text that is simple but profound if you know how to use it right, or if you've used it many times. And then they give you some extras here, transitions, backgrounds. So it's pretty good editing software that you can try out. Now, let's assume you're using a free version and you don't have any of these things. You just go to your media, which is where you store your things, and then you just look around for whatever it is you can import, or you can create folders, and then you just having created those folders, let's say Jamonia 2022, Jamonia poetry. Well, it doesn't. Well, let's say it has. That's already done. That's the point. So let's say you want to edit something like this, which is simply, someone playing basketball, and then maybe you have a basketball team or you teach people basketball, and then okay, this guy failed. So that would be like, well, sometimes you fail but never give up, Sometimes you fail but never give up. Maybe that's the message you want to give, and then all you have to do is, add the text, and perhaps before you even add the text, you want to add the music. But we're assuming you don't have the music because you're using a paid version, so you have to upload your own music from wherever you get your music, and then you put it there. So let me use music that I also got here, that is not from WeVideo, but that is my own. So audio. All I have to do is search Epic, see if anything shows up. Epic music, epic music. I mean, we could use this and just drag and put it here, and then what you can do is you can even show multiple people failing in different things, and then maybe show a clip of them failing and succeeding, and then at the end you can put some text that says never give up, or failure is the beginning of success. Okay, so let's say this was Michael Jordan here. He fails, right? And then you cut to now another clip of him like very successful. So I'm just gonna use my media, WeVideo's media here to show a basketball player. I don't have time to get the exact Michael Jordan, but whoever comes first. Now we need to cut to him doing it now instead of him failing. So at first he fails. Make this shorter, and then bring the music right here at the beginning. So you fail. Okay, maybe let's give him more time, for this whole thing to reveal itself. So there's motion, movement, and people know what's going on. Somebody is trying, and doesn't work. Now it works. And then you tell them failure is the beginning of success. And then your video ends here. So you just cut, delete the last part, and then fade out the music. You need to fade out to make sure, you know, something is ending. So just like that, you create something interesting, and then from here you build up and say, okay, so what else do I want to create? What else? How else do I want things to look like? And then, so this is your Weave video, and it's pretty. It has everything you need for it to be a successful video editor. So this is just an introduction to Weave video, and I hope you guys like it. And yeah, it's a pretty powerful tool.